Welcome to another video, and here we have life improving tech. We have the Cuisinart Power Cut Series can opener. Now, we won't be doing an actual unbox since contents are very simple here. First, we're going to have our product information, and then we're going to have two parts. We're going to have the can opener base and the can opener with the power cut blade. Now, the base itself actually has very good weight to it, and it has a short cable. This is going to help with cable management to promote a clean and simple kitchen appearance. Now, setup is very easy. We're going to take the can opener and it's going to drop right into place into this cutout here on the base. And then we're just going to push the lever down. Now, once the can opener is installed, we can plug the cable into a power outlet. Now, before we demonstrate the function, I want to demonstrate the motor sound. This motor is actually very quiet and it's activated by pressing down on the can opener lever. So let's talk operation. Before we get started, I like to wash the top of the can with warm water and soap. This is because although the can opener will hold the lid with its magnet once it's done opening the can, sometimes the lid sinks into the contents. As you can imagine, you don't want contaminants getting into your food. Now that the can is clean, we'll do a close-up without the unit running to demonstrate how it works. First, we'll lift up on the can opener lever. Then we're going to take our can and tilt it towards the unit, and then we can press down on that can opener lever, and then we can let go of the can. Now, this is a great setup because the magnet automatically attaches to the lid and the power cut blade securely holds even large cans like this one in place. So now we're going to demonstrate actual operation, and I'm going to plug the unit back in here. And then once again, we're going to take our can, we're going to tilt it towards the unit, and then I'm going to press down on the lever. Now, there are a few things I want to point out here. Operation time is good, and once again, noise isn't too loud here. And when the can opener finishes, the unit continues to automatically hold both the lid and the can. Now, removal is going to be easy here. Simply hold the can and then lift up on the can opener lever. And then you can take the lid, you can remove that from the magnet. I would also like to point out when it came to opening the can here, there are no sharp edges, and that's going to be very important for safety reasons. Finally, as for cleaning, this should be pretty simple due to the modular system. You can remove the can opener here, which that's going to make cleaning that easy, and then you just have the base. Now, the only thing I have noticed is sometimes, depending on what you're opening, maybe the fluid might leak onto the base of the can opener. You may have to wipe that off. But as for the actual can opener itself, I haven't had to clean that yet, but if you do, you can just take that off and easily clean it. And to wrap things up, this unit comes with a 3-year warranty. Overall, I consider the Cuisinart Power Cut Series can opener a kitchen essential because it adds convenience to meal prep routines. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, Leon checking out.